láti bo lẹ́ni wọ́n ti wọlé bọ̀.
This is security. He doesn't know that there's another plan of insecurity. Terrorists are planning something serious. With Al-Qaeda, with ISIS. To terrorize. That is why all borders, there should be restriction. They will enter through their cow. They will enter from Kwara. They will enter from Ifon. They will enter from Ogbomoso, Oyo. Down to this side. That is why immigration they must handle it very well. They say the herdsmen, they are coming for destruction. No, this is another group that is coming.
Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ yín tẹ́ ẹ bá wa sọ yìí sáà lè gbé sórí social media kí gbogbo ayé ọgbọ́.
Ẹgbẹ́ síbẹ̀ o kò wáyé bá lọ́mọ kẹlọ́ pé tẹ́ ẹ bá gbọ́ sàgẹ́rẹ́ ó ti gbé síbẹ̀ rẹ́gẹ́dẹ́gẹ́ ni.
Ẹ ṣeun.
Ẹ dákun pa wọ́n mọ̀ ẹ dákun wọ́n mọ̀ lópin o ta ló ń sọ wọn lẹ́ Yorùbá o àní dààmú o.
Àmì kí ló kọ́ tẹ́ ẹ gbà wọ́n yẹn.
Àwọn lákúráwá
ló kọ tiwọn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ àgbẹ̀tẹ̀ tí ń bọ̀ wá. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ṣé rí i pé Prime Minister Ayédélé wọ́n ń sọ àwọn ìran yìí wọ́n ń kìlọ̀ fún President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Ṣé rí i pé fọ́nrán tẹ̀sẹ̀ ìwòtán yìí sì kò ń ṣe pé fọ́nrán tó ti pẹ́ o kò ń ṣe pé wọ́n mix ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú fọ́nrán tó ti pẹ́. Fídíò yìí ó ṣẹ̀ jáde ní tuntun ó ṣẹ̀ jáde ní weekend tó kọjá lọ yìí. Wọ́n ní wọ́n ti ya wọ ìlú kan pẹ̀lú àwọn màálù wọn. Wọ́n ní even ní ọ̀nà wọ́n ṣe ń bọ̀ wọ́n ṣàwọn èèyàn kan pa wọ́n ṣe gbá wọ́n ṣàwọ̀ ẹ rí i pé ẹni tó ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọ́n béèrè pé ṣáwọn lè gbé kínní torí ó ní kán gbé sí o wọ́n ti yà wọlé. Ó ní Prime Minister Ayédélé sọ fún bàbá Tinubu pé àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ kò ṣe ordinary eye wọ́n fẹ́ gba gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n ní wọ́n máa wọlé at all angles wọ́n máa wọlé pẹ̀lú kẹ́tẹ́kẹ́tẹ́ wọn àti gbogbo bàálù wọn náà máa gbó wọlé àti gbogbo ammunition wà láàrin wọn bó ṣe ń lọ yẹn. So ibo ni ká kọjú sí nísìnyí wọ́n ti pa general wọ́n ń pa oríṣiríṣi èèyàn Buratai gan ní ọ̀hún máa pa àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá báyìí. Ẹ wo ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan òun ló ń Prime Minister Ayédélé sọ ní pé gọ́vnọ̀ Borno tó lóun fi àwọn terrorist tó ti pààyàn yìí sílẹ̀ wọ́n ní òun kọ̀ọ̀kan fúnra rẹ̀ ó jẹ́ kó dáhùn ẹjọ́ because kínní kò ń ṣojú lásán bá a ṣe ń pariwo wọ́n pààyàn lọ́tún wọ́n pààyàn lọ́sì òun tún lóun dáhùn èèyàn yẹn sí. Ẹ wo ẹja jọgbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ láyé ìlẹ́nu Prime Minister Ayédélé káwọn náà kàn máa fi píọ́nà wá sínú kọ́mẹ́ǹtì.
The Nigerian governors, majority of them, they are problems of this nation. This is a man I respected so much. Let's think of it. These governors want to kill Nigerian democracy. You grant 700 plus Boko Haram. You set them free. You say they should go back to the society. No. If there's problem, it's all these governors. Zulum, what you have done is wrong. And you now keep somebody. You keep Nnamdi Kanu. We are saying sincerity. Oh, you know that this government, they don't know what they are doing. The governor does not know what he wants. They are now the one increasing Boko Haram to destroy Nigeria. Why do you release them? Why can't you kill them? These people they don't deserve it. They say they have sworn with Quran. These people who does not know God, these people who does not know Quran, meaning that we are talking about Gumi. Then these are the people like Zulum are the people supporting Boko Haram movement. That's the answer. And where is the Boko Haram? Where is the beginning of Boko Haram? Is the north. So the northern part of the country is causing this side problems. We now say that you keep somebody who is not Boko Haram. You think that person does not have creator. This creator will fight. He will punish the government. I don't believe with this present situation any Boko Haram deserve mercy, forgiveness. I don't think so. Any governor who give forgiveness to Boko Haram supposed to be stoned to death. 2. children were there. Those children are there. Are you happy that those children are there? 2 years, 3 years, and can you imagine that? I tell you, if it's something that is not, it's not necessary. The government said that 48 hours they have caught those people. People that doesn't have money in Nigeria, they will suffer. When they kidnap Adelabu's family, what happened? Before 120 hours, they were released. These ones, they are there. Does not stop Nigeria not to move. Does not stop them not to share you rights, yo. That is the truth. I don't think these people in government, I don't think they are good. They don't have good mission. It's painful. It's bitter. I feel like crying. How can the governor look at you, say you are a professor? We are talking about insecurity. You are now increasing insecurity. Releasing Boko Haram, bandit, terrorists is increasing the insecurity in Nigeria, and you are an enemy to Nigeria. Let's be honest with ourselves. These children were there. Let me say kudos to Davido. In his platform, he used it to tell the world what is happening in Nigeria. Our celebrity in Nigeria, they are using the platform to praise these politicians that are cause of the cause of insecurity in Nigeria. Security what they are talking about, what are they using it for? It's painful, it's bitter. Governor releases 700 and something. They will go back. These people, they don't have repentance spirit. Governors, this governor, they are betting criminals. What Zulum have done is bad, it's wrong, very, very wrong. Let's say it. You don't understand what I'm saying. Some children are inside bush. Esma, if you are inside the rain for 48 hours, how will you feel? If you don't eat what you're supposed to eat for 48 hours, how will you feel? We are talking about small children. God have mercy. Our governors, majority of them doesn't have mercy. Sulu, what you have done, you are condemned. It's not a good thing. You're supposed to be paid for it. You're supposed to go and get these people back. And you now say that you keep somebody in a prison. If you release those Boko Haram, then government of Nigeria should release Nnamdi Kanu now. You don't need to wait till tomorrow. You don't need it. You see people who spoil Nigeria. These are our forefathers. Akintola, Awolowo, Nnamdi Azikiwe, Tafawa Balewa. All of them, they are the one who destroy Nigeria. And that's why Obasanjo must do something now. Otherwise, Koni Sunre. Go on. All of them, before they leave, they should do the needful now. You don't, it seems you don't understand. If you're a parent, your children is not with you, not kidnapping now. You just change the environment. That baby will cry. Because of that, he will fall sick, because he didn't see you. You have missed home. Talk less of somebody they put under pressure, under trauma. And one particular governor was happy to release 70 something, maybe 700 and something Boko Haram. Zulu, Zulu Kuni. Zulu, which kind of Zulu is this? Which kind of Zulu governor is this? Why these people be daft like this? Let's be sincere. Is it the right thing? That's why Tinubu did not see anything. Tinubu is even afraid. He's afraid to talk to all these people where there's insecurity. I'm not a president. I know what to do in my territory. They're supposed to remove Sulu right now. Declare state of emergency in the state and send him out of the place. If they kidnap his children, will he be happy? You now say you release them because they have. These people, did they know God? Did they know Quran? Are they reading what is inside Quran?